These are the solar panels, foldable solar panels you find on Amazon. The reason I bought them is that I'm going to use them for charging an e-bike when I'm on the road, and then use them as solar when I'm at home. So they're going to be hooked up to a grid-tie inverter when I'm at home, and when I'm vacationing and I need to charge my e-bike, then these will be hooked up to an MPPT controller, as you see in this video or in this picture. And then they will be able to provide power for my e-bike, and then they will pay themselves off very, very easy just by providing power for the house when I'm at home. So this is a great investment. I'm really, really happy with these solar panels. They can provide 300 watts if you have the right environment. Compatible with this MPPT charger. So we're charging right now at 15 volts, 15.8 volts at 20 amps. 19 amps. So it's 65.9 volt the battery, charging at 15.2 volts at 20 amps. I know this video doesn't really sync up very, very well, but yeah, this works great. I think this is gonna be my solar setup charge for the Sur-Ron. But 300 watts in, I could get two of these, 600 watts, that will be exactly what the original charger does. And this is MPPT and knows how to stop when it needs to stop. It's pretty cool.